This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia store. And here we've got a 2026 Peterbilt 567 day cab. It's got the chrome tapered front bumper with the heavy toe pin, fog lights with the stainless guards, chrome hood bezels. It's got the chrome bug deflector, stainless drop visor, 2 roof-mounted air horns, dual-sided cab exhaust, chrome mirror covers. Got an 80-gallon fuel tank over here on this side. The Merritt Headache rack with a full tray across the bottom and a lid. Jailbreak window. A couple of LED light pods mounted up on the top. This truck has got a 13,200-pound capacity steer axle, 46,000-pound rears on air track rear suspension, full locking differentials, 391 gear. Got our stainless mud flat brackets, LED lights in the back. She's riding around on AccuRide polished aluminum wheels and 11R 24/5 Continental tires. Got a 100-gallon fuel tank over here on this side. Stainless quarter fenders. Got drum brakes all the way around. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Under the hood, we've got our Cummins X15. It's 500 horse. Got our battery jump start terminals underneath here. And behind the Cummins, we've got a 12-speed Endurant automated transmission. Inside, we've got our Prestige interior. It's carpeted. Got our heavy-duty floor mats in there. Air ride leather seats on both sides. Some extra gauges up here in the dash. AM/FM Bluetooth radio. Floor mounted cup holder. Got our mat pocket on the back there. Up top, underneath the center of the header, we've got our connections and our brackets for our CB radio. Got a multi-function steering wheel. So if you could use this, give me a call, 706-372-4698.